In an age where air pollution is a pressing issue, can we afford to rely on outdated air quality monitoring technology in our cities? Here are examples of traditional monitoring reference stations. They are expensive to install, maintain, and sparsely spread out, making it impossible to place them near areas with increased emissions and pollutants. This incomplete picture of citywide pollution trends and hotspots then hampers policymakers' ability to make informed decisions. To address this issue, Persium Pods provide hyperlocal air quality data down to the nearest street corner. With their small size and flexibility, the pods can be installed in dense networks throughout cities to fill the spatial and temporal gaps left by traditional monitoring infrastructure. Persium Pods enable cities to gain a more complete picture of pollution sources, movement, behavior, and overall environmental conditions in a given area. With this data, we can gain better insight into pollution sources and develop effective mitigation strategies to improve public health and the environment.